In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to a picture in Google Slides, a simple yet effective way to make your presentations more interactive and engaging. This process is not only straightforward, but also enhances the viewer interaction with your content. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have access to the Google Slides presentation you wish to modify. Open Google Slides by navigating to slides.google.com in your web browser. Once there, locate and open the presentation where you intend to add the hyperlink. If you're starting from scratch, click on the blank option to create a new slide. Before we dive into adding links, ensure you have the image you want to use. You can upload a picture from your computer by clicking on Insert in the top menu, then selecting Image and Upload from Computer. Pick the image file and it will be placed onto your current slide. Adjust the size or position of the image as needed by dragging the corners or the image itself. Now that you have your image in place, hover over it and right-click. This will bring up a menu with several options. Click on the Link option to proceed. A dialog box will open, asking you to enter a URL. Here is where you input the web address you want your picture to link to. You can paste the URL that you've previously copied or type it in directly. Once you've added the link, press Apply. To verify the link is working correctly, click off the image and then hover over it again. You'll notice the cursor changes to a hand icon, indicating that the image is now clickable. To further ensure your link is functioning, go to Present mode by clicking the Present button in the top right corner of the window. In Presentation mode, click on the image and check if it redirects you to the intended web page. Adding hyperlinks to images not only makes your slides more interactive, but also allows you to share additional resources or relevant web content with your audience. A quick tip: always double-check that the URLs are correct and active. Broken or incorrect links can lead to confusion, thus taking away from your presentation's effectiveness. That's it. You've successfully added a link to a picture in Google Slides. You can repeat this process for any other images you want to make interactive within the same presentation. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your slides and make your presentations more dynamic and informative. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one. See you next time.